BCom final year's annual pattern, next year semester pattern. Vision and mission of the department. Faculty profile. Next. Paper present in conference by faculty member 37. And next. Journal 39 paper presentation. Attended 21 attended conference 21. Next. Orientation and refresher courses 5 by faculty members. Subject offer BCom first year and MCom. BCom and MCom. Next. 2 books are published in Information Technology and Business Data Processing and Business Statistics.
Information Technology published in Marathi.
Marathi. And Business Statistics. Enroll category wise 7.43% open and minority, other 92.56 SC, ST and T OBC category. Next, student progression result. Next, BCom first year.
In the principal presentation, we observed that the BCom pass percentage is only 14. It is very much less than the BA and the BSc. Why?
Subject wise,
even the BA pass percentage is 33, BSc pass percentage is 32, but BCom pass percentage is only 14. Why? What was the reason?
2 members are only me and 2 vacant.
How you are completing the curriculum?
CHP.
But without having a sufficient number
How
of
many
staff.
teachers are coming on to CHS?
4.
What is your work?
7 period per CAP.
Per week, per teacher, per week.
18.
18 periods or 20 periods? 18.
18. Because second year.
Faculty has expired last year. And one is retired.
Subject.
She says that because of the shortage of the faculty members, the result is improved. Being a principal, we have to make the alternate arrangement.
We are making the arrangement through CHB, but as mentioned in the last session here, that CHB is not so devoted to we are because taking 7 periods only, they are having the workload of 7 periods, less remuneration, and other one their schedule is up to August to September, February. After 20th February they will not come.
If you offer the good amount of remuneration, the qualified people will come here.
So, we will try.
Can you make arrangement from your management fund?
Sir, we will do.
Because we are responsible to follow the schedule for the person who has been granted by the government. But if we arrange of our own,
Sir,
no one will complain because we are paying it from our sources.
we are trying our best.
Because it is your own institution.
Correct.
So you have familiar contact with this institution.
So subject wise list who obtain above 60% marks. And in toppers, sir, 1 minute 90, above 90.
From your subject.
Arjun
From your
Patil.
subject.
Arjun Patil.
Is-
Subject wise scoring 90 and above marks in university. Business of mathematics and statistics, cost and management account.
In one paper.
CAT. Next. Department toppers. Next. Toppers. Last 5 years. MCom student toppers subject wise.
Toppers in your college only,
Huh.
not university toppers.
No.
नाही, these are the three toppers, na?
No,
युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या पेपर मध्ये
Not
Not
university
नाही नाही टॉपर्स
Not
मध्ये
from
toppers. Among your college,
college
but
level.
it
Yeah, yeah.
not
Huh.
university toppers.
visitor employees who are working
different sectors.
different sector, associate professor, lecturer, junior college. Advocate.
Presented by the placement cell, no?
Uh,
Graduate placement cell.
Yeah, yeah.
They will give
Functional
the.
placement is there.
Okay.
Actually, they will conflict.
What's it? Next, call the next department.
Yeah.
So,
Sir, Marathi.
एक मिनिट पाणी फाउंडेशन
I would
Okay.
Covered.
हाँ.
Yes,
That's
yes.
all covered.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Professor R.K. Department established in 1983 in B process and P process established in 460. Next.
Again, in beginning itself, but the question were put to your commerce department. Although your principal is from the same department.
Yeah.
And in his presentation, we say that in Marathi also the result is very poor. We have already put the same question to your principal. So what you have to say about it?
Why is it done?
Why? Because it is
Marathi.
Marathi. We expect the result of Marathi should be much higher in comparison to the department.
Result has
So he has his explanation. We have heard. Is there any other explanation from your side?
PG department result of last year why so less? Last year. This year okay. Last year.
Department. Number, sir,
Sir, this year result is improved.
I mean, just I want his view. You have already explained.
faculty members,
हाँ ठीक है सब आगे हो
Next.
आगे बढ़ो कुछ खासियत दिखे और क्या है और अगर बाकी
Highlight, only highlights.
only highlights
Conference.
all these are already principal covered publications and all activities. Just to highlight the uniqueness of your department.
we have gone through all the achievements of the principal and others. So, any additional information?
No additional information from your department. It's over. Right, next.
Because in his presentation everything was there.
Yeah.
Further department.
Whatever.
Next, economics.
Okay, next, okay.
Department Physics Society.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Assistant Professor A.V. Tagarpaleva, MA in Economics, SEC and BA. Our department, Vision and
From which
Mission.
year you are lecturer?
Economics.
Economics. You are MA Economics, State and BA.
BA.
Oh, state eligibility test.
Ah.
State, no.
Yeah.
State
State eligibility test. Pass on 1999.
And why not you have